all the work you done on 45th
Only thing I
Street.
need you to do for me is help me do the bathroom down in the back.
We didn't have no bunch of money, but
We want to give you the
just a
check.
small token.
It need a couple things. I got the side panel installed.
Y'all are too much.
Need to get
Just cause
some.
about this truck blocking the.
Oh, really?
It need a couple.
So stupid.
All
Look at y'all recording stuff.
Yeah.
Let's get Uncle Mookie on the shot. Let's get Uncle Mookie on this. Move. Let's get Uncle Mookie on
Yes,
this.
get Uncle Mookie recording this too.
Carpet and stuff. All thing I
Yeah.
Kevin, say something to the camera.
Yo, say what's happening to the camera. Come on, paparazzi.
The windshield need to be took
Paparazzi
out
in
and
the
put
piece.
another one in. Because I think the seal
Say something.
leaks.
Hi.
Oh, that's the worst thing ever.
This is
And it started out.
everybody.
Yep, right there.
we can take our whole family.
Let's
go, y'all.
Them big old
Here, Kevin.
All
There's something to help
right
you
there back.
your
Text
plates
Maria,
and
asked her how was
registration.
prom. She had prom last night.
Oh, yeah.
Dang.
Did she take pictures?
Gotta put Uncle Kevin on the shirt. The
I
minute,
know I'm camera shy.
okay, the minute tries to choke me every day.
Well,
This is the minute that chokes me every day.
something to fit everybody.
And I'm posting this on Facebook.
That's why I come.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. He can ask Korea.
Oh, thank you, Mom.
Let's see what he got. Yeah,
That's for y'all.
yeah. Say one thing to the camera, Uncle Kevin.
Wow.
Uncle Kevin, say
Huh?
something to the camera.
I'm speechless.
See? And that's how we have it.
Nicole, you didn't know nothing about this, did you?
Nobody knew. You gotta shut that door kind of hard too. We still, you gotta go to John so I can get a couple things.
I got music. I got music.
Look at Uncle Mookie in the shot.
Well, she went to the mall to get her makeup done.
I got gas. I got music.
Get him in the shot again. Say something else to the camera.
I have gas and I have music.
What type of gas?
Huh?
What type of gas are we talking
Got a
about?
nice card now, finally.
Real gas.
And if you pick me up from Loving Care, I don't care.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see your heaven.
Take those rims off that truck. Take the tires off.
Can I get a high five?
I'm going to go give you my rims, but mine are 6 lugs and these are 5 lugs. We were going to put the rims on it every time. But they couldn't fit, so.
That's what we talking about. We got
Get Uncle Kevin back on the shot.
Wow.
we can take some folks. We just gonna take all the stuff off the black card that he wanted to keep, whatever rims. I don't know if it match up. Then we gotta get rid of the black one because we're not starting a car lot, babe. Okay. We don't want a car lot.
Kevin!
What? That black one?
So,
I would.
how do you feel, Uncle Kevin?
I'll take the rims off.
I don't know yet.
Shot. Come on.
Take the rims
Mom!
Don't get my shot.
Look at my face.
I am totally shocked.
I would take
You're
that.
supposed to be.
That's